Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Adalo login problems, project and account errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login problems with Adalo, let's go through some troubleshooting steps. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. Check if other websites are loading properly. Next, confirm that you're using the correct email address and password. If you're unsure, utilize the Forgot Password feature to reset your password. Once you reset, try logging in again with the new credentials. If you're still facing issues, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. To do this, go into your browser settings, find the privacy section, and clear browsing data. After clearing the cache, close and reopen your browser. Attempt to log in to Adalo again. If that doesn't work, try accessing Adalo using a different browser. This can help identify if the issue is related to your current browser. If you're using a VPN, consider turning it off as it may interfere with the login process. Next, check if Adalo is experiencing any outages or maintenance by visiting their status page. If there are no known issues, it might be helpful to try logging in from a different device. If the problem persists, contact Adalo support for assistance. Be prepared to provide details about the error message you're encountering. Describe any steps you've already taken to troubleshoot the issue. This information can help them resolve your problem more efficiently. Remember to be patient, as some issues may take time to fix on their end. By following these steps, you should be able to get back into your Adalo account successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.